Welcome to our Rescue Experience Center. My name is Rens de Jonge and I'm a rescue consultant for Holmatro. Today I'm going to talk to you about our new Evo 3 cordless telescopic rams. As you can see, there are two models, a larger one and this smallest model, which is the lightest cordless telescopic ram in the market. Both offer an extremely high, unmatched pushing force. Thanks to its compact design, the smallest ram is ideal for internal space creation. As shown here, it can also be used to create space for placement of the larger model ram. However, with the small ram you can easily bridge larger gaps as well. Simply attach one of the optional extension pieces and you're ready to create all the space you need. Now let's look at the larger ram. Not just the ideal model for a dashboard roll, but also for cross ramming. Thanks to a carrying handle going all around and a control handle with 360-degree axis, you can hold and operate this ram in the most difficult position. With cross ramming, you aim to push the construction of the vehicle back to its original shape. This in order to create more working space or to remove the physical entrapment of your patient. Especially in the second case, accurate positioning of the ram is very important. Any tool repositioning brings the risk of construction springing back and re-trapping your patient. This can make their injury worse. That's why Holmatro's new cordless telescopic rams have an integrated laser pointer. It marks the exact spot where your ram will touch the car construction, so you can perform the operation first time right. Another useful feature is the integrated LED lighting. 2 lights at the base side and 4 lights at the plunger side of the ram make sure you always have a clear view of the job you're doing. The new telescopic rams complete our Evo 3 range of cordless rescue tools. These tools are powered by next generation technology that can be found inside this drive unit. It contains an ultra-efficient, lighter and lower noise direct drive system. A powerful motor drives the hydraulic pump directly at increased speed. Electronic speed control maintains this maximized speed during the entire rescue operation, even at high tool loads or when the battery voltage drops. No worries though about the electronics inside the tool. Our circuit board is only small and fully sealed to protect it against moisture and dust. That's it for now. Watch more videos on our YouTube channel or contact your Holmatro dealer for a product demonstration. See you next time.